Welcome back to the channel. This is Vibe Coding iOS apps, day 5 until we make $100. Let's get into it. No more waiting. Okay, so to remember exactly where we were, and if you picked up on last stream, or maybe you didn't, we have finished phase 6, I believe. Actually, you know what? Let me pull up this. Let me pull up README. I have notes. Why don't we just start the music? Phase 6, partially. We finished all the layout for late phase 6, but I think when we were testing it, some stuff wasn't working right. But yeah, here we go. 129. We finished this. Action detection improvements in progress. Okay, this is where we are. And big patterns without repository. Okay, we fixed that. I don't remember where the bug is. You know what? We gotta run to find out. So let's go to the workspace. Let's run Claude. And what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna tell it, yo, we are building iOS app. Please refer to Claude MD for context on where we are in the process of development. We finished phase 6, but we have some bugs and tweaking to do. The notes on, I'll just tell it, recent touch summary. Boom. And then while that's going, I think I need to rerun this too, because I don't remember exactly what happened myself. Let's go. What's up, Chris? In the chat. This music is probably too loud. Okay. Valid API key. No fucking way. Do I really have to log in? What happened? Did I get banned from Anthropic? Hold on a second, guys. Let me make sure. I didn't get banned. Okay. Volume successful. I don't know what. You know, that might be because I'll show you guys. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the whole Claude bot stuff that was going on, but I found it problematic in some ways. I went ahead and I built a lighter weight version of it. If you guys want to check it out, go to GitHub, just search seller-door. You'll see. But I was my API providers are probably not very happy right now. All right, and looks like it's fine. So let's reprompt it. While we're doing that, I'm gonna look up a poem. Because I feel like I ran out of so many poems to read in the last 5 episodes that I'm just gonna have to start reading garbage poems now from Google. All right, what is he saying? I'll help you the bug tweaking your phase 6. Blah blah blah. Okay, based on the documentation, main issues being tracked is action items spoken at the beginning and okay, I think that's right. Yeah, so here's a perfect example. I think for this one, if you guys have seen the transcript, what I've been doing to test this out is I've been saying an action item at the beginning, I've been reading a poem, and I've been saying another action item at the end in the hopes that it recognizes both action items and knows that it's able to suggest them in the app. And I think I mean, so far it's been working a good bit of times, but I think this most recent run, it didn't pick it up. So I'm going to say, let me run, do a test, run again, and verify, stand by. So here's what we'll do. I think I read this one already, guys. I'm running out of poems over here, guys. What about sailing to Byzantium? Okay. I have a poem. We'll do the poem. 3, 2, 1. Reminder, meeting Wednesday at 10 a.m. And now I'll read a poem called Sailing to Byzantium. An aged man is but a paltry thing, a tattered coat upon a stick, unless soul cap its hands and sing, and louder sing, for every tatter in its mortal dress, nor is there singing school but studying, monuments of its own magnificence, and therefore I have sailed the seas and come to the holy city of Byzantium. And also you have a meeting on Wednesday at 1 a.m. All right. Let's see, that did something. So it should have, it should have picked up 2. Okay, this time I picked up 2. Yes, did I say Wednesday for both of those? I don't remember. I know one was 10 a.m. and the other one was 1 a.m. But here's another thing too. Why is it that okay, we're still at the same place. Essentially, it picked up both the action items at the time, but it's only prompting me to add one action item to the calendar. Let me put the context into our magical pop machine. And also, no, we don't want to tell algorithm to find ice and look on. Let's not do that. Turn the lights down in here. Maybe put the music up a wee bit more. Okay. We ran it. Okay, following format. One action item at the beginning of the recording. Wednesday at 10 a.m. A poem followed by another action item meeting Wednesday at 1 a.m. This run, it seems to have picked up both action items. In the top, I see 1 of 2, and in the checkboxes, both are there to be selected, although only the first one was selected by default. However, above the create reminders button, the slide button only shows add 1 item. I think this should, I don't think, this should be showing 2 items. And actually, let's do that. Let's add it to the calendar. Oh, no. That was really weird. I flicked the radio switch and it suddenly changed to 2. After I flick the radio switch, it changes from 1 items to 2 items. And before I put anything else in, we actually create the reminder. Make sure that works. Almost like the access. Yeah, or this level access. Okay, reminders created, events created. Let's go to the home page of the hyphen. And let's look at the calendar. Calendar isn't on this. Dang, calendar. This big one, okay. How do we get the... Okay. It got... Yeah, it got both of them. Okay. Okay, so there's really not as many bugs to this one right now as I thought. So I'm just confirming where we are with it. And then I think we're going to move on to phase 7.
Getting stronger every day.
Okay, phase 7 is after action detected, verified, start live activity when recording begin, show meeting title plus timer. Why did it go straight from phase 7 to phase 9? Did I delete something? Maybe told phase 8. Yeah. That's not good. Totally missing the phase, but you know what? Worry not, because I think I still have it in the white paper. No, we don't. We're gonna have to roll with it. This one. Okay. Okay, I think we're gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to use both prompt MD and Claude MD. That's fine. We'll get it to use the context. All right, what happened here? Look at the code. The calendar toggle text shows the count of including items in due dates. That's an action review item. When the first view loads, only one item checklist included. Yep, it did do that. Okay. Yes, it is a real issue. All right, so now we have the design choice. We prefer lower the act item, include threshold from 0.8 to 0. I mean, okay, I don't think that's the solution either. What it's asking here, from a user's point of view. There are 2 actions or more items. That's just my personal opinion. Hopefully we sort this out when we get to phase 8, phase 7. We've been in the last 3 episodes, we've been doing the same one. So action competence greater than, oh. Yeah, I mean, just, okay, fine. The reason why it didn't do that is because the scoring we have for the confidence of the transcription was not high enough, apparently, on one of those. So we're just going to lower that threshold from 80 to 75%. Which I guess is fine. Let it be on the user's behest. Make those decisions. All right, what I'm going to do is let's continue to the next version. Please refer to this prompt Indu and Claude. Yeah, so next time what I have to do is I have to do a much better job at keeping the memory management for this, because I started one approach and I changed it. And we've just been kind of vibing with it since. And since I don't work on this every day, I forget. So we have a warning. Where's this at? Okay. Okay. So I need to explain that task 1 requires manual action in Xcode. Task 1. We need to create the widget extension target in Xcode. So we got to open the project in Xcode, which is open. It is indeed open. File. New target. Where is widget? W-I-D-G-E-T. All right, widget extension. I'm gonna call this widget. G-E-T-S. Important check included configuration intent. Already selected. Finish activate. Done. Proceed, sir. Where is that warning at? Is that warning going on? I don't remember where it was. Oh, here's one. Did I miss it? Here, there it is. We want to create recording activity attributes.swift. Yeah, let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead. Yes, go ahead. I know there was more warnings for just that one page. What are we editing here? Start live activity. Okay. Live activity. Okay. I think this is it. All right, looks like it's finishing up. All right, let's summary. Okay, so that's done. What? Oh gosh, maybe I'll use okay. All right, so I got to select recording activity attributes in Swift. Okay. I don't see target membership. Where's that at? In the file inspector, right panel under target membership, checkbox is full control fitted. Yeah. Do I need to full screen this? Okay. Fucking Xcode. Always has to be overly complicated with things that you don't want to do. Okay. File inspector, which is this, right panel, under target membership. I don't see it, guys. All right. Need to open the file inspector panel first. It's open. Yeah. Okay, if it's not visible, let me do this. Okay. And double confirm with the view. This one moving here. Dog, what? View inspectors? Aha! Aha! Inspectors. Go file inspector. There we go. How much RAM am I using right now? Let's see. don't think I'm using a whole lot right now. We're using 14 gigs? Damn. I didn't think it was that much. Okay. Good bit. A good bit. More than I thought. Yes. Redefine the manual steps. Okay, so I have this thing open now. Yeah, I'm actually scared to looking at that. How much RAM that was using here right now. I'm very, very surprised. All right, so we got to go back. And we need to run the target number second right here and check both boxes. Sir, what boxes? In the target membership section, I only see one to select, and it's false. Let me send you a screenshot. Here's how we're going to screenshot this, guys. I'm going to save this on my desktop. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm just going to literally drag and drop that. No. Drag and drop that. And then I give this a file path. Please see file. So now it has the file path and it should be able to figure it out. I only have, let me see. I only have 18 gigs of RAM on this machine, Chris, but from my understanding, the way that the Apple Silicon machines work is that they are usually capping out most of the RAM. Ooh, no one's doing that. And it's just constantly switching memory back and forth between the disk and the RAM, and it's also doing some funkel with the GPUs and CPUs. So from my understanding, I think when you're like at 75% of RAM usage, apparently that's what you humble. I could be wrong though. Okay, see the issue, you only have pulse target checked out. You need to add pulse with your target as well. Okay. Yeah, well don't be telling me to do stuff that Okay, I added it, and now I see both pulse and fuel. Pulse, widget, extension. Yeah, so those are both added. Next, we got to register the URL stream for deep linking. Enable live activity. So in the project manager, in the project navigator, click on the pulse project. Click pulse target, under target. iOS targeting properties. We're going to do the screenshot. I don't want to think today, guys. We're going to do the screenshot again, and we're going to give it the file path again. I'm just going to drag and drop the screenshot. And we just have to tell it. Here's what I see. I'm just like I do not see. Oh, duh, man, I'm dumb. Duh. Okay, here we go. We can disregard what I was going to send it. So under custom iOS target property, click the plus button, add a new property. Yeah, and I think it's the way that this is function too. We did want to do it under Pulse, not the Pulse widgets extension. Yeah, we're in info. So where is custom iOS properties? All right. You're gonna have to tell it. Here's what I see. I do not see custom iOS properties. I do not see custom iOS properties. I think before last time I did this. Oh, yeah, it's because it's not even fucking displayed the whole thing. Okay, of course. Okay, let me move this on different screens so I can see. Put the plus button, add new property. Okay. I'm going to call this NS supports live activities. Paste it in there. It's going to be a type Boolean. And its value is going to be yes. All right. Don't worry, boys. We got it. And that supports live activity. Here we go. Ah. Now this table won't move, dude. What the hell? I don't see it. Maybe I didn't save it. I don't know. I have a feeling this could be a problem, though. Also, I love how you can't just scroll up. NF supports. Nope. So I must have accidentally made something else, that was dumb. Hopefully nothing from this, but you know what? Do it again. We'll say, yep. Place exists compare. Wait, where is it then? No, I don't want to do that. Okay, oh, you know what? Did I do it inside of one of these drop downs? Okay, so what happens if I do it again? Yeah, it's not good. All right, here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna say that I think it's done. I'm gonna ask the machine to confirm. Still in info. Pull the URL type section and expand it. I can move this guys for a second. Down a dead end street when all I had went up in flames, burning only dark remains. I cover up every part of my skin. Now I need to. The plus button that appears. Click the disclosure arrow next to URL types. Refuse to question why. I'm just sad to say here. I'm sorry, so lie and pretend that you're okay. Okay, identifier is going to be this. Keep trying for one day. URL schema is going to be pulse. And goal is going to be editor. Okay, I think that's good. I don't know for sure, but I did know that when I tried to add it again, it said it already existed. Although I really don't see it in there. Okay, I did both. I'm not sure that we can have 45 activities done correctly, but we can proceed, run, and see. Go through it and figure it out. I still don't see it in here. Can I add that somewhere else? Oh no. 50-point identifier. All right. Click the signing capabilities tab. I really don't like how you can use Xcode unless the thing is truly opened up and you just can't see it. The force capability button. Yep. Which one? Add push notifications. Yep. I'll make sure you're doing it on a physical device. Okay, here's what I'll do. You guys aren't going to see this, I guess. I'm going to have to, instead of doing it on the simulator, I'm going to have to do it to my phone. I hope this works. Build failed. Okay, guys, here's what we're going to have to do. Please update both Claude and the prompt. Include where we are, what we did, that we need to run through those 3 big steps. Game. Interesting? Yes. Something's off. I think it has to do with that. Oh, yeah, look at all this stuff going on now. I think probably I messed up the configuration for one of those manual steps. I think this is happening. I think that's the problem.
responsible.
And of course, the console is not logging anything and hasn't the last 5 episodes. I do not like Xcode for the BS. But you know, we're kind of forced into the sandbox by Apple. Don't blame me. All right, but once that's done, guys, I'm already late. I have a meet somewhere. I'll be there 5 minutes ago. So we're going to have to call quits, and I will be back on Thursday. I'm probably going to spend some time trying to figure out those manual steps prior to, just so the entire stream doesn't get wasted on just doing that. But I think so far we're in a good spot. I mean, we're like 70% done, and yeah, shouldn't be too long. That's it. See ya.